What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Shamsi here, and today we're going to be doing our heating controls and fog lights, control switch, headlight switch, this shit what I'm showing on the screen right now. We're going to be doing those, yeah. So just before I start, the heating controls, I do have an ST2, not the ST3. The ST3 comes with digital climate control, digital controls, you know them ones, but the ST3 and the ST1s come with the manual, you know, the peasant specs. So yeah, anyway, still came out looking good. Nice little rainbow effect going on in the car. Absolutely nuts. Shout out to OEM Plus, they're just hooking it up for your boy. They're hooking it up. Okay, man, excited, can't wait to show you guys. If you like the video, just drop a like, comment, subscribe. Link to where you can get these from will be in the description below, and yeah, we are going to get on with the video. Sweet. Voiceover Shamsi here. Glad you guys can check in again. Sweet. So in my last video I showed you guys how to take this apart, so I'm not really gonna focus on this too tough, but once you undo the center console bezel or take off the the sensors for the heated seats and the sport mode button, just put that to one side. You can take off the gear shifter knob type thing to make it easier, but you don't need to. But yeah, you'll be presented with 4 T25 screws that's holding in this heater climate control module, whatever you call it, I don't know. But yeah, so you're gonna get a T25 Torx bit or extension. I'm just using a Torx 25 screwdriver, whatever you call it, to take it out. But also it's always good to put the screws in a safe place, so you don't need to lose them or go searching, because if you drop a screw down the center console, you are screwed. So yeah, get it screwed, drop a screw, never mind. So yeah, yeah, once you take out all the screws, that's what it's going to look like behind. You can easily just pop it out. You can push against the red wire or the green wire, because it just slots into like a little slot, so it's all right. It's gonna feel a bit tough when you're trying to pull it out for the first time, but yeah, like I said, literally just plop it out of place. The plastic holding it in is a bit it's not soft, but it's all right. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. As you can see, the little, I would say linkage, heater linkage, because it sort of looks like a gear linkage, so I'm just going to say heater linkage. Yeah, so those two slot in a certain place. Also, it wouldn't hurt to look at your new unit that you're going to put in, the one that's already been customized, to try and learn how you can put it back together again. Like in this clip right here, I'm just showing you guys, you literally just have to just pull it off this like little slot, and it literally just comes undone just like that. So as soon as you put it on, you can literally just clip it and it's secured, it ain't go nowhere. But yeah, so the green one will sit in this little ball part right there, which I'm showing on screen now, and the red one, it will slot underneath, so you have to go up and then pull it to the left or right, whichever way you're facing. And then once you do that, you literally just plug it in, make sure that your new unit is working, check out all the controls, start the car, and make sure AC is working and everything, because you don't want to put in a faulty unit, because that's very inconvenient on yourself. So after you do your checks and whatsoever, you can easily just turn off the car, or just switch off the ignition, pull it out, and then you can get to reassembling it. Now you need a lot of patience for this one. Like what you would have to do is put on the red wire, which controls the heating, the the cold air or the hot air, and the green one controls what setting it is. So once you put the red cable in, just make sure everything's working. You plug all the sensors in, and then you want to install the green cable into that slot, which I showed earlier. Now getting it back into its slot is the hardest thing ever, because it's not straight, it's slanted. So putting a straight thing on a slanted thing ain't really that good. So yeah, as you can see, you gotta like hook it a bit and then put it on, then you're all sorted. Then you got to put your screws in and you're good. Now we are going to move on to your headlight switch board, whatever you call it. Now As you can see, just follow what I'm doing in the video. You got unpull your OBD box, and then once you unpull your OBD box, obviously this is the one that we're putting in. As you can see, that it's quite easy to squeeze together, so that's the only thing holding it in, is just those little, you know, those little brackets. Now you're going to get a T25 screw to unscrew this little head right here, so you can get better access up underneath the where the headlight switch is. Now once you get a feel for the new one which you're putting in, you're gonna basically feel for that same thing that's up behind the dashboard. So you want to put your hand up like you're going up in the elephant's arse. You're gonna start squeezing. Like, I'm trying to show the camera so you guys can see, but the visibility is not that good. You literally just have to start feeling up. Now my hand isn't that big, so you can see exactly how high it is. It's literally just right there, and you can push the bottom one and then push the top one, and it comes plopping out. Then you got a sensor right there. Now once you undo the sensor, pull it out, put the new one to the side. I mean, not the new one, the old one to the side that you're going to sell off to OEM Plus. Then you're going to plug it in, switch on the lights, make sure that, you know, it lights up, doing this whole function, this, that and the third. Your ignition has to be on, or the car has to be on, either one, just as long as there's power running through the circuit. And you can see that it's all good. Sweet, mate. Now once you do that, you literally just plop it back into place, and just, or before you even do that, just test all your controls, get out your car, look at the headlights, look at your fogs, make sure that the lighting is up and down. And yeah, this has been your boy Shamsi signing out. Peace. Another install. Lovely. Sorry that this video is a bit short, because there's only 2 installs. There's nothing else really that I'm going to do to the interior of the car, but yeah.